Okay.
Let's talk about China Daily. It's taking a look at Missouri protesters. This has moved on now. We're in the worst night of violence, our correspondents are saying, since the shooting of an unarmed black teenager. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, race in America is still a fundamental problem 40 years after they removed segregation. I mean, it's very easy to forget that this was a country which de facto had apartheid only 40 years ago, and you see if countries like South Africa have problems, you'd expect America to have come a lot further, but they haven't. That division between white and black, of course, it was a white officer and a black teenager. I don't think you would have had these problems if they were of the same colour. Sadly, it would have mattered. It's about poverty. It's about the lack of opportunities that these communities feel that they don't have. It's about racial stereotypes that they feel that they're being accused of, being part of a criminal underclass.
And of course it raises the question which nobody's done,
which is, well, you've got an African-American in the White House. What's he done to alleviate these social problems at home?